Most people only see the knockouts, the flashy punches, the highlight reels. But behind every win lies a set of secrets boxers never tell you, from hidden rituals to mental tricks. These are the real weapons that turn ordinary fighters into champions. Stay with me, because once you hear this, you'll never watch boxing the same way again. Welcome back. Today we're stepping inside the world that fans rarely see. Boxing isn't just about throwing punches, it's about discipline, strategy, and mental warfare. The pros hide their methods for a reason, because if their opponent knew them, the edge would be gone. But in this video, we're breaking it all down for you. Before we dive in, understand this: champions are built outside the ring. The fight you see under the bright lights was already won in the gym, in the routines, and in the mind. What looks like talent is really a system of secrets passed quietly from coach to fighter. And we're about to uncover them. Secret number 1, pre-fight rituals. Every boxer has a ritual before stepping into the ring. Some shadow box in the locker room to feel the rhythm. Some repeat phrases under their breath like a mantra. Others close their eyes and visualize each round, punch by punch. These rituals are never random. They're designed to control nerves and lock in focus. Fans only see the fighter walking to the ring, but the real mental fight started long before that. Secret number 2, breathing control. You think boxing is just swinging fists? Wrong. Top fighters master breathing patterns to conserve energy. Slow inhales through the nose, sharp exhales when punching, keeps the body fueled and disguises fatigue. That's why a pro can throw 12 rounds of combinations, while others gassed out after 3. They don't just fight, they breathe like warriors. Secret number 3, silent signals in training. Coaches and fighters use subtle codes during fights: tiny nods, hand gestures, even eye contact. These signals communicate adjustments in real time. Step back, double the jab, watch the right hand. The audience never notices, but that silent language can turn a losing round into a winning one. Secret number 4, the mental chess game. Boxers study opponents before and during the fight. Watch closely. When a fighter drops their hands, sometimes it's not a mistake, it's bait. When they circle left, it's to lure you into their power hand. Every movement is designed to trick the opponent's mind. The casual fan sees punches, the fighter sees strategy. Secret number 5, pain tolerance training. Here's the raw truth. Champions train their bodies to absorb punishment. Hard sparring, body conditioning, even medicine ball slams to the ribs. It's not just about throwing punches, it's about teaching the body to take them. That's why when pros get hit with shots that would drop anyone else, they keep moving forward. Secret number 6, weight cut psychology. Cutting weight isn't just physical, it's mental torture. Dehydration, cravings, exhaustion. But the best fighters turn this pain into focus. They remind themselves, if I can suffer through this, fight night will feel easier. It's not just science, it's mental toughness in its rawest form. So the next time you watch a fight, remember, the knockout you cheer for was built on rituals you'll never see. The stamina, the composure, the grit, these are the hidden secrets that separate the greats from the rest. Boxing isn't just physical, it's a world of unseen strategies. And now, you've just peeked behind the curtain. If you found these secrets eye-opening, get ready for part 2, where we'll reveal even darker, deeper truths fighters hide from the cameras. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. Drop a comment with which secret shocked you most. And share this with someone who thinks boxing is just punching. Trust me, they have no idea what's really going on.